Hi, welcome to my new podcast. This is your host Akib, and with me I have my childhood buddy. Childhood buddy. When I say childhood buddy, I've known him for more than 2 decades. He's none other than Fahad. Say hi to Fahad.
Okay.
Hi. So today we will be discussing some of the content we are consuming, maybe from few months or maybe from few years. But yeah, it's about the regular content that we are consuming on a regular basis. First
So-
off, what do you want to talk about?
I think we'll go with the podcast first.
Yeah, it's cool. We can actually talk about the podcast we listen to regularly.
Regularly or like maybe not regularly, few of them, which I have, which I
Heard.
want to start actually.
Okay. Now, first tell me, when was the introduction to podcast?
Introduction to podcast. I think I did not think it was podcast for me because the video I saw was the Psych Substance.
Psych
So yeah,
Substance.
so there's a YouTube channel called Psych Substance.
Please watch it. It's very informative.
So I started watching that, and I thought it's videos, but it turned out it's also a kind of podcast. So
It
that
is.
is my first encounter with podcast, and the second is because of you, because you have mentioned so many times, and then I realized that there's a thing called podcast.
Yeah, I'll tell you how I was introduced to podcast. So back in the day, I used to listen to I when the stand-up comedy culture grew in India. I started listening to. I started YouTubing some of the comedians' names, and there was a podcast by everyone. I mean, like everyone was in a podcast in one of the episodes.
Okay, so
So
is
just-
it like your mainstream Indian?
Yeah, Indian,
Okay.
Indian comedians. So when I opened the podcast, when I started listening to it, I understood. Okay, this is what we call as podcast. And over the time, I got a hang of it and started listening and started enjoying it. The very first podcast which I listened to was called "The Big Question" by SNG,
Okay.
which was hosted by Karan Talwar, Varun Thakur, and all those people. And it was hilarious. So slowly what I did was I started asking my friends about podcasts. Starting topics which could lead into a interesting group discussion. So anyway, moving on. What is your favorite podcast?
I think TIS
The
which is
internet
the internet
says so.
said so. I think it's both our favorites.
Both are favorite podcasts.
Comes every Tuesday also.
Every Tuesday at 12:30 p.m. I explicitly wait for the day, wait for the hour. I watch it, in the first hour of release. It's so interesting. It's actually when SNG came with the big question, it was exactly the same. Then SNG split, and then they started with the internet set. So
Okay, so other was also part of SNG.
So all
Nevin
four of
Shah
them,
also.
all four of them,
four of
all
them.
four of them were a part of SNG, and with another guy called Karan Talwar. But they split for some reasons. You can go.
I did not knew this that these four were actually part of.
Oh, you thought
SNG.
only Varun Thakur was a part of SNG?
Oh, no, only Varun and Kautuk actually.
No, it's all four of them. And then they came up with this podcast. This is one of the most famous Indian podcasts. I recently went to Apple Podcast Google, comedy section. There it's featured. So it's quite a big name.
I think recently they have come on Spotify, I guess.
Yes, they have
It is very recently, yeah.
very recently. I think a month or two ago they started uploading the content on Spotify.
But again, I would think that it's enjoyable only in the video.
It is a
on
video
YouTube.
podcast.
Yeah.
It is a video
But I
podcast.
missed their actual podcast, which consists of their all the setup. But now it's just
Now it's just Zoom
calls.
because
Yeah.
of social distancing. People are not doing the way we are doing.
So I was just wondering that day that if all this ends, all this coronavirus ends, and then they come back to the studio, I don't know how weird they will feel.
They'll first hug each other, I believe. But I think people have been meeting and not telling us.
Yeah, just like us.
Just like us. But we are documenting it in a very legit way. Anyway, what are the other podcasts, you know?
Definitely Tanmay Bhatt.
Tanmay, but honestly.
Tanmay Bhatt, honestly, like educational videos or podcasts on money and savings. So that's very helpful. I did
Very,
not
very
know. I
helpful.
did not know that. And Tanmay Bhatt, like he's having this vast
Knowledge.
experience and knowledge on this whole internet thing actually, and he just know how to create a content.
He is a king of content. If I believe if Shah Rukh Khan is the king of Bollywood, Tanmay Bhatt is the king of internet. Because that dude can do anything, be it podcast, be it streaming, be it sketches, be it stand-up comedy, anything.
Yeah.
And if you haven't watched it so far, but please go and watch Honestly by Tanmay Bhatt.
Yeah, and I think the next one is mm, like I think I
Darknet
forgot.
Diaries.
Yeah, Darknet Diaries.
Darknet Diaries has
Darknet
to have a
Diaries,
special mention.
Yeah, that I discovered it from Reddit actually. So some guys had a question in Reddit that which are the best and genuine podcast. So there was this, the Darknet Diaries, and their podcast consists of all the IT or the technical things, which is almost to hackers, and it's about the black hat hackers and also the white hat hackers. So they are just sharing their crazy stories, and they are really crazy. You should listen to them.
Yeah. I actually listened to one episode of the Darknet Diaries. Needless to say, it is the most researched podcast out there. If you
Yeah.
want in-depth knowledge of any of the topic you're looking for, that is the podcast you should go to.
Yeah, and their highest ever episode is the Xbox, because
yeah.
they have two parts in it, and I listened to that, and it is very very crazy, and also like you cannot believe that actually when you hear them.
Yeah, I have heard the India podcast where
India.
he speaks about India
Okay,
and
I know
history
this,
of
yeah.
India. It's very interesting and very amusing. Okay, I'll tell you one of my favorite podcasts. It's called Cyrus Says. You know this MTV Bakra guy who used to do MTV Bakra. So this guy is called Cyrus Brocha. He has his own podcast called Cyrus Says, where he speaks so much that he doesn't let others speak. He's such and it's so apt. The title of the show is so apt that this guy can speak for hours without listening to what others. I should probably call him the positive person of Arnab Goswami. The kind
Then
Arnab
he
Goswami.
don't need guess actually.
He doesn't need guests, but that's the thing, right? He does podcast with three people. So
Okay.
one is Amit Doshi, who is the founder of IVM Podcast, which is a big label.
Okay.
Okay, and there's another person called Antriksh, who is a budding stand-up comedian. So Antriksh mostly does the AMA section. Amit Doshi is just there usually, and the rest of the time it's only Cyrus, and it's sometimes so much fun listening to it. This man can just go on talking. If you get time, please listen to it. You get 2 episodes per week on a Monday and on a Thursday, and it's very interesting. It will grow on you all the time.
Okay. I will listen to it actually, but I did not hear this actually. I will go for it.
Any other podcasts, you know?
I think the Duncan Trussell family and it is based on the Midnight Gospel show on Netflix. So it is actually about the psychedelics part. So where they experiences their experiences of their life, going through their phases, and they have captured it in the animation in the Netflix series, and it is very very good.
So if I'm not wrong, the podcast is Midnight Gospel,
Yeah,
right?
they have just cut few parts of the podcast, and they have just added animation to it, and then they have released it.
Yeah. So if you haven't heard that podcast, you should probably just watch the show Midnight Gospel, which ultimately does the same thing.
Yeah. A few of them might be like you cannot know what are they talking
About?
actually, yeah, exactly. But few of them you can experience it.
Oh yeah, I have another podcast. It's called Bad Science. So
Okay.
Bad Science is a podcast where the concept of the podcast is very interesting. So that these people take science fiction movies and bring a scientist in that specific stream and a stand-up comedian and this host. So three of them discuss that science fiction movie with respect to the amount of science used in it, the if it's legitimately true or not, if it's possible or not. It's very interesting if you think about it.
Bad Science.
Bad Science.
This includes physics.
This includes physics, everything. It's
Telugu movies.
Huh?
Telugu movie.
The thing about Telugu movie is, even if it's a drama Telugu movie, it's a science fiction movie because it's defying physics all the time.
Oh, low-key sci-fi movie.
Low-key science fiction movie. What other podcast?
I think this is all for me. More 4 podcasts. I said the regular ones are TISS, the internet said so, and also the Tanmay Bhatt, which is very new. And this Darknet Diaries comes every 2 months once, or else, but like he takes his time because he researches all the things and interviews all the people, including in that story. So he takes his time. And the Duncan Trussell hour, I have not started it actually.
But you watched the show.
I have watched the show, but I really want to listen to the podcast. And also, the main thing is the Joe Rogan Experience.
Joe Rogan Experience is the BAP of all podcasts.
Yeah.
If you recently heard the deal, right?
Yeah.
$100 million.
Spotify is paying him.
Spotify is paying $100 million, and we are uploading free content on Spotify. Thank you, Spotify, for taking all our money and putting it on one side.
Yeah.
But then there are more podcasts if you think about it. There is... there's one of the podcasts. I like the podcast. It's just 5-episode podcast. And the trailer of the podcast is just mind-blowing. And I'm talking about the David Gilmour podcast.
Oh, David Gilmour.
Yeah. So
I think you don't need a video for that. His voice is just enough.
His voice is godly.
Yeah.
So recently I was going through one YouTuber who is an articulation expert. And he teaches us how to speak because I have articulation problem. I was just going through his page, and there I wrote, please, I asked him to review David Gilmour's voice because once you listen to his podcast, you're convinced that it's God's voice. For me, at least, if God had a voice, it would be David Gilmour's voice. And for people who don't know who David Gilmour is a lead singer and the lead guitarist of the band, of the legendary band Pink Floyd.
Yeah. And also one more podcast I want to talk about is the Daniel Fernandez.
Oh.
So, but I actually did not listen his full podcast. I just heard or listened to his clips, short clips on Instagram, like 4 to 6 minutes, sometimes 8 minutes. So it's actually very good. I like his content.
It is very interesting. The fun part of this podcast is that guy just goes through interesting news of the week.
Yeah.
And he makes jokes on those. And a stand-up comedian, especially if you guys have heard of Daniel Fernandez, you will know that he does all the dark comedy. Yeah,
dark comedy, and also on the mental health related also. I think his whole tour called Shadows is on it.
Yeah, the special is out on. It's currently on YouTube, and I think he's the only Indian stand-up comedian who has a full hour special on YouTube.
Oh.
And that podcast is something very, very interesting. You'll not only get a person's perspective, but also that person's humor.
So, yeah, that's it from my end.
I'll just take my phone and see what other podcasts I listen to.
Spotify or Apple?
Apple Podcasts. Apple Podcasts. Oh yeah, there's another podcast called The Awful Awesome. It's by the YouTubers. YouTube news show called News Laundry.
Oh,
So
News Laundry.
News Laundry has a podcast, and which is very interesting. This is again a weekly podcast. They speak about that week's news. And
Okay.
it's insanely informative.
Okay.
And last but not the least, I have a podcast called Passion Fruit, plugging which people will laugh. Example. Yeah, but anyway, I have a podcast called Passion Fruit, which speaks about people who are passionate in what they like. These are the people who are just like you and me. They have a regular desk job, but they find time, if
Okay.
not make time. Yeah, they find time to pursue what they
Yeah, their
like-
passion actually.
Yeah, what their passion is. And I recently interviewed a lady who has ran 600 kilometers. Who is
I think you have 3 to 4 episodes.
I have about 5 episodes
Okay.
on the podcast.
Even I-
Please listen to it. Support. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.